Here we go again then, guys. Yes, that is a set of keys, but we are on with inspection again today, and we've got some good defects to look at on this one. We've got aircon fault as well, reported by the customer. So we're going to get this one started up, get her in the workshop and check and see what defects we got. As you can see there on the dash, we have got a bulb out, and it is so kind that it will tell us which bulb it is. So guys, please don't forget to like the videos if you support me. It just helps push the video forward in the TikTok algorithm and gets them all important views and follows. So we're going to just commence with the tap round, check the cab mount bolts and the springs. Obviously this is a little bit just for video purposes and give you a rough idea of what we're looking at. My inspections are generally a lot more thorough than that, but there's some aircon pipes and the receiver dryer. We've noticed that there is not very much screen wash in the washer tank. And yes, there was 2 washer motors. This vehicle does have headlight washers as well, and it does come under MOT, guys. So it's important to check they work, but we need to get that leak sorted out. So we're just going to quickly run round underneath. Yes, guys, this is the real speed I work at. My manager wishes. Anyway, so we're going to get this tap round done, get a list of defects together, and then I'm going to show you some videos of the defects we've found. Everything on this job is chargeable, so I do need authorization. So there might be a possibility that some of these defects won't get done today. Just having a good look at the discs and pads and stuff there. As you can see, I'm just making some notes on my notepad. Get the vehicle jacked up, give him tyres a spin, check the discs, check the wheel bearings, all good. Not too much to write home about there. Pretty happy. Second axles, lift axles, I haven't really got to worry too much. Oh, happy days, the standard oil spinner leak and a standard oil filter leak. So that's very, very minor on the oil filter there. And yes, we do have a pitman arm seal leaking as well. Again, that's kind of standard. As you can see, this diff pinion seal leak must be getting fairly bad, because you can see where it's sprayed around the chassis, around the brake chambers. So that's definitely getting reported. This airbag, however, some guys have asked me when to change them. Look at that airbag, that's when you need to change them. When you can see the cords hanging out, that's a definite change. If this was on contract, I'd be looking at changing that other airbag as well, because it is perished and we do try to aim for preventative maintenance. As you can see, that's got the original drag link on there. It's only just now started to develop a little bit of pop, so I'm going to chuck the Renault tool on there and check the actual wear of the ball joint, and that was serviceable for now but has been noted. Again, second axle airbags, standard perished over time, they're serviceable, no broken cords. So we're going to get on with having a look at this aircon fault. Now that heater with the aircon on is blowing warmer than my bum after a Vindaloo, so this definitely needs looking at. Next step we're going to do is just check to see if there is any gas in the system. So we're going to get the aircon machine plugged in. A little bit more difficult with one hand when these ends start to wear. It's been dropped a couple of times, so it's not ideal when they're all aluminium, but there we go. We battle on with it, don't we, guys? So we're going to open that, and no pressure at all. Well, that's it for part 1. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow and keep an eye out for part 2. Thank you, guys.